we're going to look at on how to create a custom homepage. So the first thing you're going to need to do is find a course that you're actually an instructor in. So I'm going to go in here and look for a course. Okay, so here's a course that I am an instructor in. This one is edited a little differently, but the button you're going to look for in your course is the one that says Edit Course. Okay, so when you find the Edit Course button, you're going to select that, and it's going to take you to this page here. It's a course administration page. You're going to want to be under the Category tab here. You can see there's a lot of different options, but in terms of creating a custom home page, we're going to look at the home pages. You can technically get there through widgets because widgets are the things we're going to add to our home pages, but this link is a little more self-explanatory. So we're going to go to the home tab or link here. And you'll notice there's two major links like I spoke about before. There's a widgets one. So I already have a custom one set up in here, but yours is probably the course default. You'll notice here if you select it gives you an option of all the different types of home pages you can use. If you want to create a custom home page, it needs to be one that you can edit. Okay, you'll notice mine is highlighted in blue. This is one that I can edit. All of these ones that are a black tone or color here, you can't actually edit these. These are given to you by the organization. You'll notice it says share to the org unit from the Toronto Catholic District School Board. Okay, this is one that's not shared. It's a personal one. So we're going to go about how to create our own homepage. You notice there's a big blue button here. We're going to create our own homepage. So let's create it. We're going to have to give it a name. So I'm going to call this the test homepage. Okay, you can give it a description, test if you like. What type? We're going to use a widget-based homepage here. So you'll notice, and you can go between two. There's tools, extend URL, but we're going to focus on widget-based. Our major thing here is how our widgets are going to be set up. Right now, I have nothing. It is a blank widgets one. You'll notice that the left side is a little larger, and the right side, I kind of have it split into two columns here. That's under the layout here. I can change the layout. You'll see it's a two-panel, one large panel on the left and one smaller panel on the right. It literally describes what your homepage layout's going to be. You can change that layout. I can have just one large one. I can have 3, 4. I'm going to leave 2 because we can actually build rows underneath these two major columns. So I'm going to leave it as that. We're going to add a widget. When we go to add a widget, now I've made some custom widgets here. But if you scroll down, there's a whole bunch that the board or your organization has given to you. One of the new ones for us is called an activity feed. There it is. So I'm going to add the activity feed as the item selected. Okay, I'm going to scroll to the bottom and select the add button. And you'll notice here under this widget, we have the activity feed widget on the right. Maybe I'd like to show content. So I'm going to scroll down. There's a content browser, which essentially on the home page shows the students the overview of the content of the course. I'm going to select that, and you'll notice after I hit the add button on the right side, we'll have a content browser. Pretty standard bar. It shows you an activity feed, a content one. But you'll notice the button appears again underneath. This is what I was talking about where you could add rows. In fact, I could have 4 rows on the left and the content browser be the only one on the right. You're going to want to preview after to check it out, but here we'll add an extra one here. I have a Twitter feed. So I'm going to add a Twitter feed underneath the activity feed. And under the content browser, maybe I'm going to add my course calendar. So we can add as many widgets as we like. Always remember design is important. Simplicity is a little easier on a student's end. So we're going to save this course here. So we're going to save and close. And now for my home page, okay, you'll notice if I go through, I can go to a test home page. So the test home page is going to be different than my Twitter home page. I'm going to select it, and then I need to hit the apply button. Okay, and remember, test home page, Twitter is the one I currently use. My test home page is one of the ones I can edit, and I can always go back later and actually copy this course or go into it by selecting it and editing it later. So I'm going to use the test home page. I'm going to apply it. Okay, so it says here quickly, test home page set as the active home page. Great. So I need to go to my course home page. Okay, so I'm going to go up to the button that says My Course, and when I select that, currently populating the new home page that we've created. There we go. We have a news feed. Oh, sorry, that's my course. I apologize. This is the course I want to go to. I select on the name of the course. That was my personal one. Here we go. We have our activity feed, which we spoke about, and just underneath that, we have that Twitter feed. And on the right, we said we had a content browser. Scroll down a little more, and a calendar. So that's essentially how you can build your own custom home pages within D2L Brightspace here.